This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 18RJB is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Forest River is 22 feet 7 inches in length and features a Bryce Canyon interior, sleeps 3, air conditioning, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 18RJB is 3,435 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.